I'm Simon Philippo, Head of Keyboard Performance at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. The ethos of the college's piano department can be summed up in 4 words: diversity, versatility, creativity, and employability. Our students learn through one-to-one training with a principal study tutor and in regular performance workshops with other pianists. We have some of the finest piano teachers in the world here in Cardiff, and we regularly welcome guest artists and teachers who give masterclasses and individual lessons to our students each term. One of the real benefits of coming here is that our class sizes are relatively small and every student receives individual care and attention from all our staff at the college. Opportunities in the college for performance are many and infinitely varied, and all our students get the chance to experience new things, from having great fun in improvisation classes to learning how to play 18th century music on harpsichord and forte piano, all led by international experts in these different fields. We also have one of the finest concert halls in the UK, the Dora Stautsker Concert Hall, and we welcome pianists from all over the world who come to Cardiff to give recitals and masterclasses. Not only that, but through our exciting industry relationships, our students can discover career pathways as they work with pianists from Welsh National Opera, the Royal Ballet, as well as practitioners in the fields of church music, jazz, music theatre, and orchestral performance. Piano students benefit from our unique relationship with Steinway & Sons. We were the first all-Steinway school in the UK, and we are now the only Steinway exclusive conservatoire in Europe. Our piano students go on to a huge range of possible careers as performers, teachers, rehearsal pianists, or conductors, or technicians. Some of our students win concerto competitions, some excel as accompanists, as chamber music pianists, or opera répétateurs, or as collaborators within musical projects in the wider community. There's no such thing as an average Royal Welsh College student. Everyone is unique, with special interests and enthusiasms. They come out of here as rounded human beings, ready to face the world in a spirit of cooperation, unafraid to build artistic enterprises with others, able to make a real difference in the world through music, able to contribute to musical culture in a dynamic way, as genuine collaborators with a real sense of their place in the community. Whatever your goals, we at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama can help you achieve your ambition and help you to develop your natural creative musicianship.